What's up, you guys? Today I'll be showing you how to get this Twitter bird for your avatar on Roblox. It is actually a promo code that you'll have to enter, so let's get into it. So this is what it looks like on my avatar. He's on my right shoulder and he just kind of sits there. He's a blue bird, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not too sure about that. He's just a blue bird. It's called The Bird Says, and so first, so the first step you're gonna do is go to roblox.com/promo codes, and you will get there, and the code that you will enter is TWEETROBLOX. So let's go ahead and type that in, and then we will hit redeem and see how the code is already redeemed. Because I've already redeemed it for my avatar. But once you redeem it, you should be able to go to your avatar right here, and you should scroll down, and you should be able to see it. So you keep on scrolling down. I don't know where I have mine at, but like it's somewhere. I'm pretty sure it's accessories. Yeah, see, the bird says. And you can click on it to equip it or unequip it. So like when I unequip it, it does that. It just unequips it. When I equip it, it equips it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like the video and comment if you know any more codes, and I might make a video on them. But let's go ahead and end it. But yeah, also be sure to subscribe, and also check out my game for Avatar Maker. It is actually out of beta testing now, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in just a second. It took a few seconds to load for me, but on your screen it's probably like half a second. So it's just like, the dislikes. This used to be an obby game, but I changed it, and it got like 1 thumbs up and 4 thumbs down. So so you make your avatar in this game. Yeah, as I said, beta testing is finished. Make your own character in it and everything. I'm actually going to be releasing a ad for it soon. It says this is just another ad for one of those dumb Roblox games. And if you see it, comment down below, which I'm pretty sure most of you won't, because I'm only going to spend 100 Robux on it, because I don't want to spend as much of my Robux. But right now I don't have any. I'm gonna save up. But let's go ahead and end this video for today, and I will see you guys in next one.